Samsung is preparing to take foldables to the next level. And if the latest Galaxy Z Fold 8 report is accurate, we could be in for a huge improvement. Anthony has shared key specifications. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to have a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch main screen, both with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and dynamic AMOLED displays. A new dual-layer, ultra-thin glass with a reinforced metal support plate could increase durability and decrease creases, giving the Fold a smoother, more premium feel. On the photography front, Samsung may deliver flagship-level performance with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. This configuration could make it one of the greatest camera foldables available. The gadget is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which has improved cooling for better performance. The phone is also believed to include a 5000 mAh battery with 45W charging, allowing for consistent all-day use. You'll most likely receive 12GB or 16GB of RAM, with storage capacity up to 1TB. Samsung is also working to make the gadget slimmer and lighter, solving a major issue from earlier iterations. As the launch date approaches, both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Wide Fold appear on China's 3C certification platform, providing an early glimpse at their charging capabilities. Two model numbers, SMF9710 and SMF9760, have been revealed, and based on Samsung's normal naming conventions, these are thought to be Chinese versions of the Galaxy Z Wide Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 8. It's worth noting that 3C listings often only validate wired charging speeds, not wireless. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold are likely to provide a significant boost over the 25W wired charging found on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The impending product, known as the Samsung Galaxy Wide Fold, could signal a new direction for the company's foldable range. According to a well-known Chinese digital chat station, Samsung may be developing a passport-style foldable with a larger form factor. According to the source, the device would have a main display that is 7.6 inches in size, similar to existing Galaxy Fold versions. The Galaxy Wide Fold is said to be powered by Qualcomm's forthcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. However, the main distinction could be its larger aspect ratio, which could provide a more pleasant viewing and multitasking experience than typical book-style foldables. If genuine, the device would be among the most powerful Android smartphones likely to be released within that generation.